Let's read Jim and Kit together. I would like your finger to follow my red circle. Put your finger under the word Jim. Ready? Begin. Jim and Kit. Here it is, said Jim. Do you want to sit? What do you see? I see a hen. This is a little cup. It is for you to sip. I see me, said Kit. They have a lot of fun.